Hello everyone, welcome to Flannel Board Fun. My name is Miss Christine and I'm from Bull Run Library. Today I'd like to share some nursery rhyme flannel boards. Nursery rhymes are still relevant to us today. Even though some of the words sound nonsensical, children can still hear the syllables, and that helps them when they're getting ready to read. Also, each nursery rhyme is a little story in itself with a beginning, a middle, and an end, and that helps children to learn sequencing. Let's start with 1, 2, buckle my shoe. First, we'll put some things up on the flannel board. Do you know what that shape is? Right, a shoe. And this is a door. And then we have some sticks. And you can count along with me if you'd like. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, knock at the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. What kind of sound does a hen make? Cluck, 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 cluck. Good. Let's move on to the next one. I'm sure you're all familiar with this one. Hickory, dickory, dock. There's the clock, and the hands are saying 1 o'clock. Hickory, dickory, dock. The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1. The mouse ran down. Hickory, dickory, dock. Let's try another one with a little mouse. There's another shoe. Can you see that all right? Let's try putting that against the black. That would be better. That's better. There was an old woman who lived in a shoe, and she had so many children she didn't know what to do. I think that if that old woman lived in a shoe house, then surely she must have been a mouse. Let's try one more. This is a wall, and this one is Humpty Dumpty. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. You know why they couldn't put him together again? Because he was an egg. I hope you enjoyed those. We'll have some more flannel board stories for you next time. Thanks for listening.